for you.
Let's learn counting. Count the apples. One apple. Count the oranges. 1, 2 oranges. Count the mangoes. 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes. Count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strawberries. Count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tomatoes. Count the sweet limes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sweet limes. Count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bananas. Count the watermelons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 watermelons. Count the papayas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 9 papayas. Count the pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pears.
Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning.